I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I close the fridge. I close the fridge. I take out the eggs. I take out the eggs. I fill the kettle. I fill the kettle. I boil the water. I boil the water. I pour the tea. I pour the tea. I open the cupboard. I open the cupboard. I take out a pan. I take out a pan. I put the pan on the stove. I put the pan on the stove. I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I add some oil. I add some oil. I crack the eggs. I crack the eggs. I stir the eggs. I stir the eggs. I slice the bread. I slice the bread. I put the bread in the toaster. I put the bread in the toaster. I take out a plate. I take out a plate. I put the food on the plate. I put the food on the plate. I sit at the table. I sit at the table. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I drink my tea. I drink my tea. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I dry the plate. I dry the plate. I turn off the stove. I turn off the stove.